Welcome back to another episode of an unboxing. Today I will be unboxing a Broadway Limited import Sharknose. Now, I don't know if some of you noticed, but it took me this long to realize that it actually says Broadway Limited on the box. But I'm done getting distracted. So this is a stealth unit of a Baldwin Sharknose. It says B unit, but it is an A unit, and it's in the United States Army Air Force 801. Sorry about that. I had to see the letter in the box. I actually had to turn the lighting down, but I brought it back up so we could see everything. So, whoop. Okay, well, you did not see nothing. Partially see the locomotive through that. So to start with, these are the couplers that you connect to both units. I have no need for those right now because I only just have the one. So use that to pull the locomotive out and put this aside. Sorry about the mess, but here we go. Now, I was very interested in this locomotive, particularly I had to have the Sharknose paint scheme. So here's the left side locomotive. I'm going to have real fun with this. This is, as it said, stealth, so there's no decoder in it. I'm just slowly rotating it. This lighting does light up when you have it working. At the store I got this from, somebody also pre-ordered, but they got a Black Widow paint scheme, and they were running it. Sorry for the sniffles. It's a little... My allergies are acting up. But here's the right side. But let me go back to the rear. I love the fact that the number is back here. There's no number board, but they put a number on it. I thought that was pretty nice. I'm usually amused. I got the attention span of a squirrel. But they got the number right for the last three numbers for the number of this locomotive right there. This does have class lights right there. I thought it was kind of cool how the doors indented. Go back to the front. Try this so you can see the paint scheme. They did put an engineer and a conductor in there. The engineer being the one in the blue that's in the glare. He's blinded by the light. And the conductor's in gray. So I'm going to start with the bottom real quick. Pretty simple. But who's really going to be really looking underneath there anyway. But the fuel tank is detailed. I might try to bring this in a little bit. There is writing all over the locomotive. And the boulder plate and stuff right there. Here, that F right there, it means front. For those who didn't know. If you're in it, try to zoom in on some of the stuff, detail. Forget my thumb. My thumb's in the way. There's another door right there. Now here's the top. So for those, these are hook rings, so when they gotta pull the motor out, they would unbolt all this and hook right there and they yank the engine out. I'm gonna take an assumption that is the exhaust right there. I think so. Here's the radiator fans right there. And this one, I guess, has a... Oh, that's the radiator. I think. Don't hold me to it. I'm a newbie to this. Be a little patient. Now, when I ordered this, I was very late to the party, so I did order the Air Force and the Army Air Force one. This is the Army. Now, maybe I might get the Air Force come in later, but might not. I'm not holding my breath. It's no big deal to me. I'm very happy at least getting one of them. And green's my favorite color, so I find this a win. And I'm very attracted to military trains and paint schemes and legendary liveries. But if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I really encourage you to comment. I do respond to comments. Now, if you barrage me with a ton of comments and stuff, I'll try to answer as much as I can. I'm only one person. So I ask, please be patient. But, as I said, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Leave a comment. Enjoy the rest of your day.